nothing to say. I have nothing to say. You're playing selfish. Bad shooting selection. No defense. Nothing of nothing.
Italian pointer. He's very smart. Chase, no reset, and make a little bit short.
Gustavo is going slower. You are going slower. No. Go faster. I'll be the friendly half. Now, let's go. Not defense. Play longer. Inside. And don't come back with the fucking red. Spend the foul. You don't have to finish with 0 foul, Clement Free. You can also go out of the game with 4 fouls. Spend the fucking foul.
Tranquilo, stay by step. Don't desperate. No, doesn't exist. One shot of 3 points. No, stay by step. Play with confidence. Let's go.
We missed a good shot. Okay, this is what we play for. To create good shots. Bravo pass, bravo extra pass, good shot. But then good defensive transition.
We want to defend all the shots, but if it's possible, consistent in the flamby, okay, and rebound.
Seguimos jugando, but fire up. No es puerta atrás cada vez. Sé disciplinado. No quiero jugar dorsado. No soy guay. I said 10, 11, 12, 30, 32, 42. That's it.